Okay, so I've chopped up onions, diced potatoes, and ham. And now I'm going to make a mixture to put in it and throw it in the oven. And we'll have scalloped ham and potatoes for supper. So for the white sauce, you melt butter. They say 2 tablespoons, but I always double it, so 4 tablespoons over medium heat. And then when that melts, you stir in my case, instead of 2 tablespoons, I doubled it, so it'll be 4 tablespoons of flour. And stir it up really good, and stir in your 1.5 cups of milk. Double it, so it'll be 3 cups of milk, and it will thicken. And once it's thickened, you just pour it in to your potatoes and ham and throw it in the oven. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I also put in grated cheese, cheddar cheese. Okay, so now I melted the butter, put the flour in, and slowly added the milk and increased the heat. And this is starting to thicken. Once it gets thick, you can add your salt and pepper, and then we will pour it over the top of our potatoes and ham and put it in the oven. It's got to get a lot thicker though. It gets pretty thick. I'm just stirring it too much. See, when you stop, it gets thick. You can actually see it starting to clump. So this is where you keep stirring. The faster you whisk it, the better, because the higher heat you use, the better. So, that's how thick we're liking it here now. Alright, so we got our white sauce, and we'll just pour it all over. We'll mix it up a little bit. Okay, now I've mixed it all in, salt and peppered it. I'm going to put foil over the top, and I'm preheating the oven to 350, 375. You let it go for about an hour. Actually, it says an hour, but I do it longer. I'll leave the foil on for an hour and then take the foil off the last half hour. I at least try to keep it in there for 2 hours because I like everything to be soft. I don't like chewy potatoes. So yeah, that's it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Bubbling hot goodness. I'll let it go another half hour and it'll be ready.